Hi, this guide will show you the steps on how to make a payment on your financial account in ctcLink. First, access the ctcLink page, and this is your login page. Once on your login page, type your ctcLink ID, click Next, and then enter your password and click on Verify. Next, on the left, click on Student Homepage. Then, on Payments, select Make a Payment. Specify payment amount. So here is the amount you have to pay, and then you're gonna type here how much you have to pay, and then you click Next. Before making the payment, check if the amount is okay. If it is okay, you click here on Continue to make a payment. You will be directed to the billing page. Complete each of the tabs to enter your billing information, enter payment, review, and submit your payment by clicking Next. Congratulations! You have now completed a payment on your financial account. If you are unable to make a payment, please clear your browser's internet history, try a new browser, or use a different device, or log in into an incognito window. If you have any questions or need further assistance, contact the service desk. Thank you for watching.